There was a man who set sail on the final leg of a voyage that was to take him from the shores of Cuba to the Yucatan Peninsula. He had in his employ 500 soldiers, 100 sailors, 16 horses on 11 ships. And they were going to take the world's richest treasure. It was a treasure that had been held by the same army for 600 years. Everybody knew about this treasure because army after army had tried to take it. Conqueror after conqueror had appeared with the forces and with the will to take this, but nobody had been able to do it. He had to gather an army whose level of commitment was beyond that which ordinary people consider commitment. He laid a vision out for these people, for these men. And as they gathered around, they grew quiet, and they were ready for the speech. They knew that this would probably be the speech where Cortez says, you go here, we'll go here. What he said was 3 words that changed everything. Burn the boats. They burned their own boats at Cortez's direction. He said, if we're going home in their boats. A lot of people are scared to burn their boats because they know they'll get criticized if they do. The question for us is, what is it in our lives that is still floating the excuses in our minds, that's keeping us from getting what we say we want? What are the boats in our hearts and in our minds that we need to burn?